Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will go over how to send a hearing aid for repair. Locate the patient in the patient browser and open their file. Click on the patient's hearing aids tab at the top of the screen. Highlight the aid that you would like to send for repair, right-click, and send for repair. Blueprint OMS will assume that you are sending the repair to the original manufacturer. However, if you are using a different repair lab, you can select that from the drop-down list. Next, choose the reason for repair from the drop-down menu. Along with the repair type, Blueprint OMS automatically determines if the hearing aid is under warranty. If the instrument is not covered under warranty, specify the repair type you would like for the hearing aid. The bill too will default to your current location, but this can be altered. In the additional documentation section, you can type any additional instructions for the manufacturer or enter the manufacturer account number you would like to use for the order. Click Next. The charge for the repair is $0 because Blueprint OMS has detected that the aid is covered under warranty. In the Order Items screen, you can add any services, batteries, and accessories to the invoice. We don't recommend mixing sales or items on a repair order, but you have the ability. Let's go ahead and click Next. This takes us to the cost allocation screen where changes can be made to the pricing. Since we have no changes, I will click Save Order. The repair order form for the manufacturer is generated. This can be used instead of filling out the manufacturer-specific repair form. Simply click on the print icon at the top of the screen. Once complete, you can close the Order Form tab. Under the Patient's Hearing Aids tab, you will see the hearing aid has a status of Sent for Repair. If you go to the General Orders tab on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see that the hearing aid has been sent for repair. Once the hearing aid has been received back into your office from the manufacturer, highlight the hearing aid, right-click, and you have two options: Receive Item or Receive Item with Bill. Receive Item with Bill will allow you to enter the manufacturer's bill. You can also receive this aid in from the Patient's Hearing Aid tab. This will bring up the hearing aid details screen. Update any information as necessary, such as the serial number, if it has changed. Once all of the information is updated, you can click Save at the bottom of the screen. Now the hearing aid is listed with the status received on the Main Orders tab and in the Patient's Hearing Aids tab. Once you are ready to deliver the hearing aid to the patient, highlight the aid, right-click, and choose Deliver Item. This will take you to the Create Invoice screen for review. If there are no changes to be made, click Create Invoice. You can then take payment on the invoice if needed and print it out. Now you will see that the hearing aid is listed back in active status. You can track the history of this hearing aid by highlighting the aid in the Patient's Hearing Aids tab. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.